I am super excited today to share with you this Norvell Oasis portable spray tan machine. This company is #1 professional brand, and I can tell you that from experience because I owned a salon for 20 years. I am semi-retired now, but for 20 years I owned a salon, and for 15 of those years we did spray tans. We had Norvell. We had their professional machine that was very big, but it was excellent. We used their product solely, 100% for 15 years. And I can tell you they have good quality products, and their spray tan solution is excellent, top of the line. So it's winter and I am tired of being pale. So I told my husband, let's check this out. Let's get a small portable machine that we can use at home. We don't have the salon anymore. We don't want something that is going to be doing tons of people. We just want something for ourselves. So if you're interested in something like this, I highly recommend checking this company out. We just got this in. I have not used it yet, but I am impressed already. They tell you, about their warranty. It tells you don't throw the box away, to register with them for their warranty. This machine that we got, this is straight out of the box. As you can see, it's still wrapped in plastic. This reminded me of a blow dryer. Again, I'm a hairstylist, so it reminded me of a blow dryer. It is about the same weight, maybe just a tad heavier than a blow dryer, but it has a flat base. So you can set this down and it's not gonna fall over. So it does have an on and off button here, which turns the machine on, but it is not going to spray until you pull the trigger. And as you can see, it has a little stop there. So you can adjust that stop to where it will allow you to get more spray, which would be pulling the trigger back further, or less spray. The nozzle also has this great, our machine had this too. This is great. If you're going down legs, you want to go vertical like this. If you are going down, like I would always have someone stretch their arm out. If you're going down the arm, you may want to switch this away and go have the spray expand this direction. So that's what that's going to do. Your spray is going to expand whichever direction you have that angled. It came with a little bottle. It does have ounces on there that tells you, you will learn how many ounces it takes for you to spray yourself or your family members or your friends. But you do want to add a little bit extra. You don't want this sucking air while you're in the middle of doing a spray tan. So add a little bit extra. You can pour it back in the bottle afterwards if you don't use it all. It did come with 8 ounces of their Cosmo color, and it came with an extra bottle. If you wanted to have 2 different colors, my husband is, his skin reacts differently to tans than I do. He tends to get more red, I tend to get more orange. So we might choose to do different formulas. And if you want something that you could keep some in here for you, once the bottle's open, you could put, you could have it in here, you could put it straight in your fridge. I do suggest that you keep it cool. Doesn't need to be getting hot. It will cause it to activate too much. It comes with some other information. They even offer to give you free training online. So I highly recommend this Norvell kit. This is the individual, the Oasis, for at-home use, portable spray tan machine. I highly recommend it. Check it out.